And the breaking news that we are tracking at this hour is that the encounter cop turned Neta Pradeep Sharma is back at the NIA office for the second day of interrogation, while on the other hand, Sachin Vaze is now out of JJ Hospital. He was taken there for a medical checkup and after examination, he has been sent back. This is the second day in a row that the encounter cop turned Neta Pradeep Sharma is back at the NIA office for the second day of interrogation. And according to our sources within the NIA is stating that they are not satisfied with Sharma's statement, which was recorded yesterday. There was a marathon interrogation session that happened with Pradeep Sharma yesterday for several hours, and we're getting in these latest visuals on the screen right now of Sachin Vaze, who has also left from JJ Hospital after the medical examination. For more on this, let's go across to my colleague Alisha as well, joining us live and tracking all the updates. Alisha, over to you. Please share more.
देखिए, बिल्कुल सचिन वाजे जो कि अब यहाँ से निकल चुके हैं जेजे हॉस्पिटल से। अब देखना ये है कि आखिरकार सचिन वाजे को कहाँ लेकर जाते हैं, क्योंकि इम्पोर्टेंटली प्रदीप शर्मा जो कि अब एनआईए ऑफिस में मौजूद है और वहीं पर जो स्टेटमेंट जेजे हॉस्पिटल की ओर से आया, जहाँ पर बताया कि सचिन वाजे को एक क्लिनिकल चेकअप के लिए अस्पताल में लाया गया था, वहीं पर उनको एग्जामिन किया गया है और जो रिपोर्ट है वो अब कंसर्न अथॉरिटीज को यानी एनआईए ऑफिशियल्स को दे चुके हैं। फिलहाल इसके ऊपर जो है कोई भी पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन जेजे अस्पताल की ओर से तो नहीं दी गई है, लेकिन इम्पोर्टेंटली जहां पर हम देख रहे हैं कि सचिन वाजे जो कि अब जेजे हॉस्पिटल से निकल चुके हैं और शायद ही एनआईए ऑफिस जा सकते हैं, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से कन्फेशन सचिन वाजे की ओर से दी गई थी, जहां पर बताया गया है कि जो जिलेटिन स्टिक्स स्कॉर्पियो में पाए गए थे, वही जिलेटिन स्टिक्स जो है वो प्रदीप शर्मा की ओर से एक्योर किया गया था। देखिए, सबसे बड़ा मैसिव स्टेटमेंट जो है, मैसिव कन्फेशन रिपब्लिक टीवी के पास है और वहीं पर जो एनआईए को बताया गया था इंट्रोगेशन के दौरान। अब इसी को देखते हुए सवाल जरूर प्रदीप शर्मा से किया जाएगा, क्योंकि यह दूसरी बार समन्स जो है वो प्रदीप शर्मा को भेजा है। दूसरा समन्स है जो प्रदीप शर्मा को भेजा हुआ है, हाँ, इसीलिए क्योंकि इसीलिए जहाँ तक देख रहे हैं जो सवाल जो कल क्वेश्चनिंग प्रदीप शर्मा की ओर से की गई थी, 7.5 घंटे की पूछताछ की गई थी, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं पर उससे सेटिस्फाई नहीं है, जिसके बाद जो है प्रदीप शर्मा को आज फिर से यहाँ पर एनआईए ऑफिस में लाया गया, जहाँ पर उनकी पूछताछ की जा रही है। अरे बंद करना जब तेरे पास।
All right, so as my colleague Alisha has been tracking all the latest updates, the latest that we are picking up is that Sachin Vaze is now out from JJ Hospital. He was taken there for further examination after he had requested the court that he was facing certain issues related to cardiac problems that he has been facing, and after that he was taken to JJ Hospital for examination and medical checkup. And at this point, we are tracking two major developments this hour, that is the encounter cop turned Neta Pradeep Sharma, who is now back at the NIA office for a second day of interrogation. Remember, he was at the NIA office even yesterday after that surprise entry we saw. And remember, we have also broken this massive update relating to Pradeep Sharma, that exclusive Republic news break on the Vazegate probe, where the NIA sources have confirmed to Republic that Sachin Vaze has named the former encounter cop Pradeep Sharma, who was questioned by the NIA yesterday as well. Sources have now confirmed to your channel that Sachin Vaze has confessed that it was indeed Pradeep Sharma who had acquired the gelatin sticks that were found in that particular Scorpio car right outside the Antalya as well. And remember, he has also shared several of the more other details in that confession that he has given to the NIA, also stating as to how Pradeep Sharma was with him when he had also called Mansukh Hiren to meet him. For more on this, we'll go back to my colleague Alisha. Alisha, you are also tracking all the latest movements of Sachin Vaze, who we are expecting anytime now to reach back at the NIA office. Can we expect, now that Pradeep Sharma is there, can the both of them be confronted with each other as well? All right, we'll try to go back to my colleague Alisha, who is tracking all the developments. Remember, Sachin Vaze is now out of JJ Hospital after that medical examination. Going back to my colleague Alisha. Alisha, anytime now we're expecting Sachin Vaze to also be back at the NIA office for further interrogation. Please share more. Are we expecting maybe Pradeep Sharma and Sachin Vaze can be confronted in front of each other with those questions?
हाँ, हाईली एक्सपेक्टेड है ऋचा, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से कन्फेशन सचिन वाजे ने दिया और सचिन वाजे ने साफ तौर पर प्रदीप शर्मा का नाम लिया है, जहां तक सूत्रों से पता चली है, एनआईए सूत्रों से, और ये कन्फेशन को लेकर जहाँ बताया गया है कि जेलेटिन सेक्स को लेकर अब तक सवाल जो है वो जेलेटिन सेक्स को लेकर बिल्कुल था कि कहां से प्रोक्योर किया गया और किसने इस जेलेटिन सेक्स को लेकर जो है। एनआईए ने कोर्ट के सामने तो जरूर कहा है कि एक मैसिव ट्रांजैक्शन, ह्यूज ट्रांजैक्शन जो है वो जेलेटिन सेक्स को लेकर जरूर अकाउंट टू अकाउंट पर हुए हैं, पर आखिरकार ये पहली बार जहां पर रेवलेशन सामने आ रहे हैं और जैसे जो है इंफॉर्मेशन सामने आई है कि ये जेलेटिन सेक्स किसी और ने नहीं पर खुद प्रदीप शर्मा ने अक्योर किए थे। ये खुद कन्फेशन सचिन वाजे की ओर से एनआईए के सामने की गई है, जिसके बाद अब फिर से प्रदीप शर्मा को समन्स किया गया है। प्रदीप शर्मा जो कि एनआईए ऑफिस में मौजूद है, उनसे पूछताछ की जा रही है। कल भी उनसे पूछताछ की गई थी। हमने देखा कि प्रदीप शर्मा जो कि 1 बजे कल जो है एनआईए ऑफिस में पहुंचे थे, वही 8:30 बजे एनआईए ऑफिस से निकले थे, यानी 7.5 घंटे की पूछताछ जो है उनके ओर से की गई थी, उनको पूछताछ की गई थी। लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं एनआईए सूत्रों से ये तक पता चल रहा है कि उनके जवाब से लेकर कोई सेटिस्फाई यानी नाखुश है, संतुष्ट नहीं है एनआईए के ऑफिसर।
In fact, Alisha, stay with us. We'll also go across to my colleague Priyanka, joining us live from the DRDO office as well. Priyanka, today is also crucial because the CBI will also start with their preliminary investigation in the entire case, and today being also the day when Pradeep Sharma has been brought back to the NIA office for further interrogation, and there is a possibility, as my colleague Alisha has been picking up, that they might be confronted, that is Sachin Vaze and Pradeep Sharma might be brought face to face and questioned further.
Well, that is bound to happen because yesterday, as we have been reporting, that Sachin Vaze has actually confessed to having been in contact with Pradeep Sharma, that Pradeep Sharma was in fact present with him on March 3rd and 4th night. In fact, Pradeep Sharma was the one who had helped in acquiring the gelatin sticks that had been placed in the car, Scorpio car outside near Antilia. And of course, he was also present during the time that Sachin Vaze had given a call to Mansukh Hiren to come out and meet him, after which he had mysteriously come up dead. Right outside the CBI office, we just to inform our viewers as well that yesterday they had called Jayashree Patil as well, the complainant, the petitioner, who had actually filed this complaint against this entire Vasuli Gate scandal as well, against Anil Deshmukh as well, the then sitting Home Minister, who had to resign after the Bombay High Court order of April 5th. And they have taken a lot of evidences, a lot of files, a lot of video and audio recordings from her, and they have claimed that this is going to go even deeper, and a lot of political tremors will be created of this, because let us look at this parallelly, that the NIA investigation has already named Pradeep Sharma in this entire matter, and which is why on the second consecutive day we are seeing the former encounter specialist Pradeep Sharma walk into the NIA office and also going to be confronted with Sachin Vaze's confession that Pradeep Sharma in fact had been present with him on the night that he had called Mansukh Hiren, and Pradeep Sharma had been at the epicenter for actually procuring the gelatin sticks which had been placed outside Antilia. So now all of these things, all of these aspects of investigation are now going to come together. It's going to come out unraveling as and when Pradeep Sharma and Sachin Vaze might be confronted with each other, because they may be expecting that Pradeep Sharma is going to completely refute the confession that has been made by Sachin Vaze, which is why they are going to be confronted with the facts of the matter. And also, we're given to understand that the NIA is tracking Pradeep Sharma's phone records as well to understand where his whereabouts had been, and whether or not there is some truth to Sachin Vaze's confession. But as of now, Sachin Vaze has in fact confessed that Pradeep Sharma had been present with him throughout the time that he was operating in this entire scandal of either the Mansukh Hiren murder case or the gelatin sticks that had been placed near Antilia. And the CBI preliminary inquiry is also going to be taking place where Sachin Vaze might be
developments that we are taking and we are witnessing at this point, Priyanka, as far as the investigation is concerned. The encounter cop turned Neta Pradeep Sharma back at the NIA office for a second day of interrogation. Thank you, Priyanka, for getting us all those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more.